A judge shot outside of his home. Judge Andrew Wilkinson killed hours after ruling in a divorce case a targeted attack. Now investigators are saying the man who lost custody of his kids in that case, Pedro Argote, is their prime suspect on the run at this hour, and police say he is armed and dangerous. DC News Now's Randy Bass is in Hagerstown, live on scene of the murder and the manhunt. Randy, can you tell us about the mood there in the neighborhood? How are neighbors feeling as the search ramps up?
Yeah, Ben, Annalisa, this quiet Hagerstown neighborhood even quieter today as neighbors and community members mourn the loss of Judge Wilkinson after what happened here last night, and as the search for that suspect, the manhunt for that suspect, gets underway tonight.
Tonight, flowers lay next to the home of Judge Andrew Wilkinson. Washington County Sheriff's deputies say he was shot and killed in his driveway Thursday night as his wife and son were just steps away inside their Hagerstown home. The Maryland court system says Wilkinson was also involved in his community as a youth soccer coach and a member of St. Anne's Catholic Church. The suspect in his murder, no stranger to Judge Wilkinson.
Argote is not in custody and is considered armed and dangerous.
Pedro Argote's divorce and custody case had gone before Judge Wilkinson earlier that same day. Deputies say Argote wasn't in the courtroom, but Judge Wilkinson had granted his wife custody of their children during that hearing. Tonight, the search is on for Argote and his silver Mercedes. Meanwhile, neighbors are rattled after tragedy shook their quiet community. Susan Porter has lived in the same neighborhood as Wilkinson for decades.
Never anything this close happened in our neighborhood. I just prayed last night for that family, knowing what it's like to wake up and think everything's going to be great and you're going to go to bed that night, but you don't, because something happens and you go to bed with that loved one.
Yeah, and tonight, still a lot of unanswered questions at this point. Police aren't revealing at this point how they were able to determine Argote was the suspect in this case. Police also not releasing any photos or video evidence at this point. We went around door to door today asking neighbors if they might be willing to share their doorbell and surveillance camera footage with us. We didn't have any luck, though, trying to reach out. Even in just the last few moments here, the community support is growing. More flowers left on the garage door of Wilkinson's home. At this point, also not clear his wife and son what they may be doing tonight and if they're under any kind of additional protections or police custody. Of course, this story is still very much developing tonight. We'll bring you more details as we get them. Live in Hagerstown, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now. Back to you.
Randy, thank you. And responses pouring in from leaders across the state today. Maryland Senator Ben Cardin saying in part, quote, "The rule of law is what makes our society work. It may not be perfect, but individuals like Judge Wilkinson work to make it better and more just every day." Cardin also offering condolences to Wilkinson's family and friends. And the Maryland court system also offering a statement to DC News Now as well. They say they're grieving Wilkinson's loss and that they're actively working with law enforcement to assist in any way necessary and to provide safety and security to other judges and staff members.